Hello Internet, AJ the AMU traveling student here. I want to cover my current two courses that I'm working on. I'm taking English 102, which is effectiveness in writing, and my second course, which is Introduction to Physical Geology with a Lab. Let's cover English first. I was surprised that I've enjoyed English as much as I have in college. I absolutely hated English writing in high school. This second course, the first course is pretty much a review of what you should have known from high school. Now you're getting a little more in depth in the second course. You're learning to argue more or less on paper, and you're learning different techniques to write a persuasive paper. And it's really a good class. We cover a couple of the most common styles. Forgive me if I mispronounce them, but there's Toulmin and Rogerian, where you'll write one paper each for those. It's really a good course. I'm learning a lot. I really do enjoy it. Professor Kennedy, she's a wonderful woman to teach this course. Very knowledgeable and extremely helpful if you have any issues. So not a bad course. A lot of degrees require some advanced writing skills, and I know my degree, Emergency and Disaster Management, I required to take 3 different writing courses. English 101, which was proficiency in writing. English 102, proficiency in writing, which is what I'm taking now. And later on I've got to take research analysis in writing. So again, some good courses. Now I want to talk a little bit about geology, introduction to geology with a lab. Now most of your classes are worth 3 credit hours. Your sciences with labs are worth 4 credit hours. I'll be honest with you, this is one I'm struggling with a bit here on the road. It's difficult to do the labs on the road. Some of the stuff you might need to print out, and I don't have a printer with me. I'm also, like for instance, for my first lab, I had to have a household acid, and I don't readily keep lemon juice or vinegar in my truck, so I had to go find some. Not a big deal, I got it done, but I am struggling a bit with the labs. Professor Welch is an outstanding teacher. He's a PhD. He's got a PhD in geology, specializing in hydrology. But in addition to being the geology teacher, he's also the head of the science department at AMU. So he's got a full plate. But he is a very good instructor. He's very attentive to the class. And it's an interesting course because you're going to find a lot of material that you hadn't been exposed to in a high school class. You're going to learn about the cycles of rocks, the cycle of water, the renewal of the land process. It's really a fascinating course. I'm in week 6 now. I've got finished this week, and then I have 2 more weeks, and I'll be done with these 2 courses. And I'm setting myself up now for my registration on my next classes, but that's another topic. So keep in mind that if you do end up traveling while you're in a science class, or that it could be difficult to do the labs on the road, so you may want to get those done in advance if you can. If not, and you're planning a family vacation or whatever, try to make sure that you look at that in advance, because you usually plan your family vacations in advance. So make sure that you take into account that it'll be difficult to do the labs on the road. That's it for now on these 2 courses. I will update you folks later on when I get done with these classes, and let you know what courses I've registered for to take next. I'm probably going to shoot one more video tonight, and then I got to get these edited and get them up on the YouTube so everybody can see. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to know when the next videos are out, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave leave a commentary. You can send me a message. If you have any suggestions on future videos of something you'd like me to do, some area of being an online student that you'd like me to cover, or whether it's directly about American Military University or online learning in general, or truck driving, or anything you want. But be nice in the commentary. Be nice to each other out there. You can also reach me on Twitter. I'm at AJ_Dionne. That's DIONNE. You can reach me there as well. And I hope to see all of you folks in the next video.